I hope it's not too muddy. And I'm going to go, that dog shit there, along the canal, along the side of the, well, it's River Don, isn't it? And this should take me up, be able to get out for the building of that new roundabout. Hello. Hello. What are you doing? Come on then. Come on. Not hurt you. Hello. What are you doing? Eh?
Wee Betty.
Does he want to go in my basket?
Oh, she would, yeah. Hey?
Hello.
That's little bougie boo.
Is he only a puppy?
Yeah, she's 4 months and she's nearly 11.
Ooh, you're lovely. Wife would love you. You're lovely. Think she'll be unsure at first. We've seen
The
big thing.
bike, yeah. That's a good setup, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice. All right. Hello. Yeah, sorry. Oh, swans. Can I see them? No, might see them here. Oh, all swans are here, look. Can't I get here? Oh, I think I've got some. I'll have to bring some bread next time. Oh, aren't you lovely? That's baby in front. Sorry, I ain't got no bread. Sun's there, isn't it? So I'll just over here. Ooh. Muddy, slippy. Nice to see all them there. I know you want some fish or some bread. No canal boats. Bees knees. Bees knees. That's looks like an house there, a bungalow, and then some kind of. Well, there'll be some people will be living in them, but it's not a lot of room to live in them. Oh, they're flying! Come on then, swans! Swans are flying. Yeah. They'll be coming to me again. They think I'm somebody different and I've got something to eat. Oh, train. I'm sorry, I haven't got anything. Oh. Aren't you beautiful? Oh, there's some more coming as well. They'll all be going up to that cafe area now. So they'll all be going up there. And when they do go up there, that's what I said with that kid. Yeah, so I bet I could have gone a little bit further to that cafe area from here. That looks like tram. Yeah, they know when they're going to get fed, don't they? They'll be coming to me in a minute. I ain't got anything, I'm sorry. Next time I come, I'll fetch you some bread. Sorry.